Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the battery in your car, specifically a Mini, but the process is the same for most modern cars. And if you're new around here, please do consider pressing the subscribe button. It really does help. And if you do go on to enjoy this video, please hit the thumbs up button. But for now, we're heading to Euro Car Parts to pick up the new battery, and then I'm going to show you how to fit it. So I've got the new battery. First things first, you need to locate your existing battery. In some of the Minis, in the R53, it's in the boot, and then in the majority of cars, it's in the engine bay. But once you've found it, there'll be a red and a black lead coming off them. So this is your earth or ground lead, and this is your live lead. Now, for the purposes of this video, we're going to be using an acronym, ELLE, and that stands for Earth, Live, Live, Earth. And that's the order you should take things off and then put them back on. So first things first, we're going to grab a 10mm on the earth strap. So once we've loosened the nut, we're going to pick it up and take it off the battery. Just move it to the side. So that, just so that it doesn't make contact with this post again. Now we're going to take the live side off, so it's the same again. Loosen the nut and then pull that off, just like so. Again, we're going to make sure that doesn't make any contact with the battery. Now we're going to remove the battery tie down. So there's a 10mm here. And then there's a 10mm at the back here too. I'm going to put that to one side, pull the battery strap up and out, put that to one side, make sure this is still out the way, lift up the handle and pull. And there we have it. Let's get the new one in. I'm also going to use this opportunity just to clear up a few bits of rubbish that are in the bottom here. Some odds and ends of cable ties and stuff, so just clear them out. You don't really need to do this, but you might as well when you're in there. Now this is the new Lion battery. I'm assuming it stands for lithium ion, I don't know, but there we go. But this is the one that was recommended by Euro Car Parts. I get majority of my car parts from them. You go online, you type in your registration plate, and it will tell you the suitable part for your car. Checked up the cranking amps and the amp hours and everything matched, so we should be good to go. So we're going to get the orientation right, so negative on the left and positive on the right, and lift it into place. Now if we think back to the acronym ELLE, so we've already done Earth, then Live, so now it's time to put the battery back in, so we do Live and then Earth. So remove these little caps. I'm going to push that down onto the post as much as we can, then get our 10mm ratchet. And once that's tight, we're going to do the earth side. Same deal again, remove the cover, place the strap on. Don't be too alarmed if it sparks a little bit. Then we're going to tighten the nut up and then use the ratchet to snug it up. Now, finally, we're just going to put the battery tie down back in. So as you'll see, there's some ridges on the side of the battery there, and that's where the edge of this bracket sits onto, and there's a hole in the floor, which is where the bolt goes. So I've put the top end of the bracket over there, and I've lined up the hole down there. I'm going to drop this bolt in first. because it's a little trickier to access. And now I'm going to install this top nut too. Now most batteries do come with a warranty or a guarantee. This one comes with a 3-year guarantee, but as you can see here, in this instance, the guarantee is only valid if you put in the install date. So I'm going to circle year 1 because it's 2021 and the month, which is 11 now. God, that's close to Christmas. Okay, so now we've got the new battery installed. I'm going to check and make sure the car starts, there's no error lights, and just basically check everything's all okay.
Normal voltage, waiting for connection. Bluetooth connection.
So we've got no error lights I wouldn't expect. Same up here. And the car has started, first turn of the key. Nice. So as you can see, it really isn't that difficult to change a battery. I hope you learned something new today or picked up some tips for the next time you need to do this job. If you did enjoy this video or you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if it helped you. If you're new around here, please make sure you hit subscribe to stay up to date with any videos I post. But for now, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.